I'm an endocrinologist by training, studying signals between different cells of the body. So one of the signals is insulin. It's a key signal to control the blood glucose in any animal. We study how it works, why it fails, and how we can use that kind of knowledge to treat patients. There's a continuum of the disease, and that is very important because we know that from the very beginning you have to treat patients perfectly so that they reach almost normal glycemia. This needs a better understanding regarding the etiology of the disease. Our major focus is on metabolites. So these are signals like sugar, lipids, amino acids. So they can use them, for example, even to diagnose the pre-disease form. This has already been shown in Caucasians that so-called branched chain amino acids are going up in the early phase, and they, in a way, herald what is going on in the future. And we were very much surprised to see that these markers do not hold true, for example, in Asians. So we are looking for thousands of molecules that give us some idea of what is going on. Mass spectrometry is very helpful to define the whole spectrum of metabolites. And this is what we are using. We have developed a center that is called the Phenome Center. So welcome to this factory, studying hundreds of samples that have to be studied from subjects that have a normal metabolism and compared to subjects with an abnormality like high glucose or other abnormalities in their metabolism. They measure the weight, the molecular weight of these molecules. So we are comparing patterns of molecules and their distribution. And then we can really sort out what is different. In Caucasians, the diabetes increase is now leveling off. It does not level off in Asians. So there's an interplay between genes, the environment, and we have currently not a clue what is really going on, what is driving this tsunami. And for that reason, I think it is worthwhile to study and to start the war against diabetes. More than 10% of the population is afflicted with diabetes. More than 10% is afflicted with problems like hyperlipidemia. Think of 30 to 40% of the adult population have some problem with abnormal fat deposition in the liver. So there is a huge problem, in particular in Asians. And currently we do not have very specific treatment regimens for all these problems. Using, let's say, our mother university, that's NTU, using our mother university, that's Imperial College, and they are very much technology driven. And in particular in metabolic diseases, we are using that kind of technologies as an application helping to mitigate chronic diseases. And this is the vision for metabolic medicine in LKC.